Teacher, what if you had a single resource that can transform essential A1 and A2 vocabulary learning into an engaging game-like experience? This interactive group of activities covering words for fruits, vegetables, animals, and transportation will bring innovation to your classroom and will make vocabulary learning an amazing experience. Let's explore how it works. Students start with this simple, intuitive menu, and then make their choices. Explore the world of fruits, vegetables, the animal kingdom, or transportation vehicles. Let's start with animals. The game begins with clear visual instructions, perfect for young learners and language beginners. The purpose here is to match a sound to the correct animal. Or place the right fruit on the plate. Or putting vegetables in the fridge. Or identifying vehicles according to their purpose.
This vehicle can hover in the air.
Students get immediate positive feedback for every correct answer to build confidence and reinforce knowledge, followed by a final score that celebrates and motivates their continued progress. And if a student ever needs help, a comprehensive digital dictionary is always just a click away to practice the pronunciation of the words. This interactive activity is more than just 4 games. It's a complete, engaging, and effective learning system ready for your classroom. And if you want to use it with your students, all you have to do is click on the link mentioned below in the description of the video.